Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some Christmas crinkle cookies. They come out really nice. All you're gonna need is an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, 1 beaten egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a box cake mix. Any cake mix will do as long as it's white. I'm gonna need some red and green food coloring. I got that at the 99-cent store. And some powdered sugar. Let's put this together. Right here, I have the cake mix. I'm going to add my Cool Whip, my beaten egg, and my vanilla. Now I'm going to mix all this together. So I've mixed everything together, and this is the cookie dough. It is supposed to be a sticky consistency. So now what I'm going to do is I cut it in half, and I'm going to take half of it and put it in a secondary bowl. Now I'm going to add some food coloring, and I'm going to just add a couple of drops until I get the right consistency of the color that I want. Okay, so remember this dough is very sticky, so you're going to need a cookie scooper to make a ball. You're going to put it inside your powdered sugar, and at this point it's easier to form a ball. And just roll it in your powdered sugar. Just like that. Now I've put them on a parchment lined cookie sheet. I'm going to cook them 350 degrees, 12 to 15 minutes. And here are my Christmas crinkle cookies. They really come out festive for the holidays. They're a little soft in the center. That means they're going to be chewy. Really the perfect cookie for the Christmas season. Mine are kind of big. I made them a little big. They did take me 15 minutes to cook, but they came out really nice. Really a great holiday cookie. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.